Okay, so I took all the hardware off and then taped everything that I did not want painted off. That's the door. That's all the hardware I took off. I taped that hinge off because I didn't want to take this door off because inside it is all the delicate clock parts. So, and then up underneath I taped off the holes where the handle went so that none of the paint will go drip inside when I paint it. So I started out by sanding it down using 120 grit sandpaper to rough it up a little bit so that the paint has something to stick to. After sanding it, I gave it a quick dust off so it's ready for interior paint. After I was done painting, I let it dry, and when it's dry, which doesn't take very long because with the spray gun, it puts on a very thin layer and it dries quickly. But after it was dry, I went in and I sanded the edges and roughed it up to give it that shabby chic look. And then also I used a 220 grit sandpaper to just smooth it out because sometimes when you use the spray gun, there's a little texture to it that you want to smooth out. After I was done sanding it, I seal it with a sealing wax, a clear sealing wax to preserve the paint, and it also just really brings out the color and makes the paint look nicer on the finished product. After it's sealed, it's time to take the tape off and put it back together.